I want to go over something that's all over social media, super trendy, and it is the towel around the neck or strap. And the chiropractor yanks as hard as they can this head and neck. Why does this not work? Why we, as specific upper cervical chiropractors, don't do that? Well, let me show you. Well, looking at this picture, we can see that there's ligaments, tendons, these capsules that hold these bones of the spine in its proper position. It even holds the spinal cord in its proper position. We also have these arteries on either side of our neck that supply 80% of the blood flow to our brain and brainstem. So we have a misalignment. The bone is shifted out of place because there's been this accident or injury to those ligaments and tendons. So this top bone is shifted out of position. So how does it make sense that the best course of correction is to yank the head and neck and this bone is just going to magically go back into its proper position? Makes no sense. Also, if we yank the head and neck and there's already been damage to that area that's caused this misalignment in the first place, how does it make sense that that's magically going to get better? It's not. So it makes no sense to have this procedure, treatment, whatever you want to call it. It's not an adjustment, definitely not a correction of your upper neck. So if you want to have this top bone corrected properly, reach out to me. We'll find you an upper cervical chiropractor in your area. Dr. Chad, Jane Spinal Care.